Hey everyone, I Renu Singh welcomes you all to your own YouTube channel, The Brainic. I am here with another video in which I am going to unbox all the things which I have received from Byjus. Yet I have received only one parcel of assets from the Byjus. One is remaining. Maybe it will be reached to me within a week. So first of all, I want to thank you Byjus for such beautiful assets which they have sent. You can see smile on my face. Those who are new, they are excited too that when they are going to get assets. I have received my asset after 15 days of my training only. So I am really very happy. I have received all these assets yesterday. Yesterday I have done only unboxing. I have not opened all the items. So in this video I am going to open all the things which I have received. I have received 5 of the item in which one is laptop. Here it is, and one is pan tab, one is this router, and one headphone is there, and one USB hub port is there. So in total I have received 5 of the item, and few things are remaining, like my welcome kit is not received by me yet, my t-shirt of Byjus, mug, and a few things offer and greeting letters are left. So I am waiting for those also, and when I receive that I'll do the unboxing of all those item with you also. So let's do the unboxing together. So this is the first thing, the main part of the asset, that is laptop. See, all the these seals are already opened by them only. When I opened the items from the package, so these seal are already broken. I think this is done by the company only. So the laptop is of Lenovo and it is i3 version of Lenovo. Okay, it has charger in it, so it is nice. Okay, it's a big one. Anything else in it? Okay, it is done. So this kind of laptop you are going to get. This is i3, and in which it is of, I think, something 43,000, or it will look like that. You can see. Oh, it is open. Okay, it will look like that. Here you have to, I think, fill your something. It is asking for admin password, which I'll see and I'll enter, and I'll show it later that how it does function, what application does it include, and I'll do the comparison that is it good, or the previous one which I was using, that is good. It contains such a large screen. It is wider than the screen I was using. I was using this one laptop before. It is also having very good camera. So let's see what kind of camera it does contain. So this is the laptop which you will receive from Byjus. And the second interesting thing is that pen tab, for which we mostly await that how it does work. So it comes in a beautiful packet like this. Okay. So all the seals are already open. Okay. So this is the pen tab. Oh wow, I am very much excited for this. I'll use them and I'll give reviews. So this is the charging connecting cable, and this is the pen. It contains changing options also. I think it is for erasing and something, and to making broad. And this is the pen holder. Like this you have to keep it. I hope you can see. Okay, and you have to write like this. I'll make a video of how to use these items also, and how to assemble all the items. So this looks nice, really nice. Okay, so it contains this nibs also. If your nib will get destroyed, you can change them, and manuals are there, and this. So this is all items which are included in the pen tab box. The third most good thing is this one. This is speaker from synthesizer, and where to open? Yeah, from here. Oh wow, it comes in a very beautiful bag. Oh great, you can easily store it them in them from preventing from dust. Okay, so it looks like this. Oh, I am going to use this on daily basis. From here you have to connect it to the laptop, and it is very comfortable as well. Okay, it is having 4 of the option to change, to increase and decrease voice, and to mute unmute option, and one more option is there, I don't know for what it is, and one mic is there. Very nice. The bag I like the most, in which we have to keep this. Chalo, I'll keep it later. Few manuals and things. Warranty cards are there in the box. Now this is the router of 12 volt. So I think I don't need to show it to you people, it will look like that, and it is used to make the good connectivity of internet. And here is the USB, which is in the laptop itself. So the laptop contains a few little ports, so just to increase that, but because at same time you have to connect router, charger, any other cable, and the pen drives, mobile phone maybe you have to connect. So they have given 4 ports there through which you can connect it with the laptop. So these are the items which I have received. These are the main assets through which you have to conduct online classes. So I am really happy, and I hope those who have not received your assets yet, they are looking for it, and when they will get it soon. I have received within 15 days. Some of them are getting it after 30 days as well. So I am the lucky one who have received in 15 days only. So those who have not received, they will be receive it soon. And those who are new, those who are in interview phase, so they will appear, and when they will start their training, then they are also getting these many things. So thank you Byjus for these assets, for providing such facilities to us to give a quality education to the students. So this is all about the video. I hope people you have liked the video. If you've liked the video, press the thumb, and if you're new to my channel, you have to subscribe to my channel.